about pre-marriage counseling, and that decision has been scrapped by the CM. Did you not take CM into confidence before making such an announcement?
See, what is happening as a minister of the government, on 30th आमकां 2 दीस पयलीं इंस्ट्रक्शन येयलें की फंक्शन करपाक जाय, वेगळे फंक्शनां करपाक जाय. So based on that, I had a meeting with all the departments which are under me. And based on that, I had given the entire schedule of programs on that day of press conference to your medium, and we did a lot of programs. One such program was about the program of giving a model of putting a counselor before doing the second signature. Now, this program of putting a second counselor is not a new subject matter. If you go to see Manor Bhai Parikar जेन्ना आसतना स्कुलांनी म्हाका दिसता 200-150 कावन्सिलर घातले. हेजे पयलीं कावन्सिलर स्कुलान नाशिल्ले केन्ना, आनी ते स्कुलांनी जेन्ना घातले इट वॉज फॉर अ पर्पज. Maybe I thought that if we put a counselor, कितें आतां म्हणटा की मॅरेजीस खूब पर्सेंटेज वायज आमी पर्सेंटेज पळयना. म्हाका दिसता आमी पर्सेंटेज पळोवपा, आमकां 0 डिवोर्स केसीस जावपाक जाय, हो आमचो टार्गेट आसपाक जाय. 0.28%, 0.40% असले आमी म्हाज्या मतान ना. 0% जावपाक जाय अशें सगळ्यांचे, आमच्या सगळ्यांचे पार्टीचे मत आसा, म्हाजें मत आसतलें, सगळ्यांचे गोंयच्या लोकांचे आसता की 0. पॅन्डेमिकूय आसूनय गेल्या वर्साचो फिगर आमी शेअर केला, ऑलमोस्ट 350 एवरी डे वी हॅड 1 डिवोर्स. पॅन्डेमिक आसून, कोर्ट बंद आसून, आनी खुबश्यो ज्यो आमी दिता पळय स्टॅटिस्टिक्स, ते स्टॅटिस्टिक्स दिता की आमचे रजिस्ट्रेशन डिपार्टमेंटाक येवन ऑर्डर पास करून ते कॅन्सल करता, ती स्टॅटिस्टिक्स दिता. पूण थोड्यो ऑर्डरी कोर्टान जाल्ल्यो आसा आनी कोर्टांतल्यान तांकां डिसिजन घेवन त्यो अजूनय येवंक ना. जेन्ना पुतून लग्न जाता ते पुतून येता. सो कन्सिडरिंग दीस आय मेड अ स्टेटमेंट ऑफ द गव्हर्मेंट इंटेंड्स टू डू. अल्टिमेटली लॉ जेन्ना पास जाता खंयचो, इट हॅज टू गो टू द कॅबिनेट and it has to go to the assembly for doing all these changes. So it would require that time. So I had only suggested that this is what we are going to do. So if the honorable CM is not inclined, or honorable आमचे party जेका दिसता की दुसरे भाशेन दिसता, I will put a full white paper and I will give it to CM that what I intended to do was like this. It was not to trouble people or do something of harassment or not to bring any disruption to the government. I will give a white paper to Honorable CM and CM will take a call. If he has already taken a call of this, he is Honorable CM of the state and I have to take it into action and consider his consideration. But as a minister, which I have done a little study, I will put it on the white paper and give it to Honorable CM, and the Honorable CM will decide what to do in the future course of action.
But without consulting you,
as a minister, see, I think I am an educated person. And jo goshti, as a minister of the government, I have a certain privilege and powers. See, what I have announced, it does not mean that 100% it is approved. I can make so many, see, it has to be taken ultimately to the cabinet, it has to be approved by the CM, it has to go to the legislative assembly. There are so many things in front. Intention was, as I said, कि माझे दिसले की जे काउन्सिलिंग करपाक जाय, pre-marriage counseling, it was required because I have a statistic I will share with you, because I have got some statistics, I have asked for more statistics. जे म्हाका दिल्ले आसा ते 6-7 वर्सां पयली statistics have hardly 50-60 divorces. म्हणजे म्हाका दिले ते statistics. So I am getting all statistics, making that white paper and giving to Honorable CM, which I will share with the press.
So you were well within your jurisdiction to make such an announcement.
See, you don't understand. आता आम्ही हे केलं.